In the name of great Allah Almighty, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful, who is our compassionate and sustainer, and whose blessings are so profound which we can't measure. Good afternoon to all of my students and viewers. I am Tauqeer Abid from I-CET Academy, and going to start a lecture of English language course related to grammar skills and a sequence of the sentence, the fourth type of sentence, exclamatory sentence. Before going ahead here, I request you just to subscribe our channel on YouTube and share it with your other friends so they may also take the positive benefit from our videos. And on the secondary, you can also check very informative videos in future as well. Students, today I'll guide you about the exclamatory sentence. Exclaim word basically is the root word of it, and exclaim mean when a person shouts, and we should keep in remember that a person shouts when there is a sudden incident. So it's mean that this is called an impression, or you can say like that these words, these are sentences which show the impressions of people. When people, they show different impressions in these sentences here. For example, when we say that what a great job he has done for me, basically our tone tells us that a person is doing a very good job for us. So it's not a question, because you are looking that at the end of this sentence there is a sign of exclamation which is showing about that this is not a question, this is not interrogative sentence, but this is an exclamatory sentence. What a great job he has done for me. Similar, an expression is there, wow, it's really a great effort. We shouldn't forget about that basically the impressions are of three types. In English, the expressions are of three types. First type is happiness, in which you always speak hurrah, yes, great. These are the impressions which show the person is happy. While the second kind is the sorrowfulness. You can say a person who is in sorrow, he is in grief, so he says, oh, he says, ah, he says, alas. Similar, there is a third kind of impression in which a person shows amazement, as the second example here which is quoted for you, wow, it's really a great effort. It's mean that this is appreciable. In this sentence, appreciation is there, which we can easily see. And the third sentence and the third example, exclamatory sentence, alas, she died in an early age. Alas, she died in an early age. And the fourth one is that, really? I can't believe it. Really? I can't believe it. It's mean that here, as you are looking about, and I am showing also, this is the sign of exclamation. Second sentence, this is the sign of exclamation. Third sentence, this is the sign of exclamation. And fourth sentence, this is the sign of exclamation. Students, whenever there is some exclaim or shout, it's mean that it's a sudden gesture, it's a sudden movement from some person. We should understand that the words of exclamation are not the part of dictionary. This is important in fact. So we cannot find these words from there. In fact, these are just folk impressions. Students, the people, when they speak, it's mean that they are uttering these words, and these are impressions, and impressions are not a part of dictionary. Here I am going to end this video as well. Students, if you feel some query, you can write in the comment section. As soon as possible, we will answer you about that. And this is as whole the types of sentence, and here we explained all types of sentence And I hope that you like this video, so you can share it to your other friends as well. Thank you very much.